Dear friends, in this video we will see homographs. In the previous video we have learnt about the homophones. Homophones, the words which have the same pronunciation but the spelling and meaning is different. And homographs, the meaning of homographs are, what are the homographs? Homographs are the two or more words spelled the same. Means the spelling of the words are the same but not necessarily pronounced the same. Their pronunciation may be same, may not be same. Some words are pronounced as same but some words are not pronounced as it is, and having different meanings and origins, but their meaning and origins are different. Means homophones are only the words which have the same spelling but pronunciation, meaning and origins are different. These are some examples of homographs. Homo and graph. Homo means same, graph means the spelling or their structure. These are some examples. I am afraid of bat from my childhood and I need a bat for playing. The word bat has a different meaning. In the first sentence, the meaning of bat is not the same as the meaning from the second sentence. I am afraid of bat from my childhood. Means if someone is afraid or frightened of something, that means not a common bat. That is a bird. We say in Marathi, Vatwaghud. I am afraid of bat from my childhood. Second sentence, I need a bat for play. That bat word is very common and we use that bat in a cricket game play. Next example, dogs bark in the dark. This bark is useful for skin. Dogs bark in the dark means as human being speaks, the dogs bark. They bark on the strangers. Bhunkne. This bark is useful for the skin. The meaning of bark is different from the first bark. The second bark is a bark of skin, the bark of the part of the tree, झाडाची साल. This bark is useful for the skin. This bank is closed for a week and she sat on the river bank. The meaning of bank is different from the second sentence from the first sentence. This bank is closed for the week, means where we deposit money, where we withdraw money, that is the place we call bank. Second bank, she sat on the river bank. River bank, nadicha kinara. So the meaning of bank is different. Next word, fly. A fly was buzzing on the fruit, and let's fly from here. The first fly is an insect. The house flies or honey flies. A fly was buzzing on the fruit. म्हणजे कुठली तरी माशी अशा अर्थाने आपण फ्लाय वापरतो. That is a noun. Second fly, let's fly from here. That is a verb. Let's fly. The meaning of fly is totally different from the first sentence. Next, I live in Ambejogai and is it a live telecast? Now look at the word live and live. The spelling is same but pronunciation is not same. In the first sentence we pronounce the word L-I-V-E, live. I live in Ambejogai means I stay in Ambejogai. My residence in Ambejogai. But second, is it a live telecast? Live, opposite recorded. Some programs are recorded and telecasted on the television, but some programs are live. The meaning of live and live are different. Spelling is only same, but the pronunciation is also different. They tear all the important papers and she could not let down her tear. They tear all the important papers. Tear means destroy, to cut, फाडून टाकणे. In the second sentence, she could not let down her tears means a drop of water which come from the eyes, ज्याला अश्रू आपण म्हणतो, that is a tear. Wait a minute. And he knows the minute details in that case. Again, The minute and minute, spelling same but pronunciation different. Wait a minute, that is a unit of measuring time. 60 minute, 1 hour, that is a 1 minute. Wait a minute. And next, minute. He knows the minute details in that case. Minute means very tiny, very small, or very micro, minute. He lost 9 days in a desert, and now this area is deserted for some days. He lost 9 days in the desert. Desert is an area which is very hot and barren. आपण ज्याला वाळवंट असं म्हणतो. We have different deserts in our world. And second word is a desert. Now this area is a deserted for some days. Deserted means forbidden, restricted. भूभाग जेव्हा प्रतिबंधित केला जातो त्याला आपण डेझर्ट असं म्हणतो. नाउ दिस एरिया इज अ डेझर्टेड फॉर सम डेज. देर इज नो कंटेंट पेज इन दिस न्यू बुक. ही सीम्ड मोर कंटेंट. द pronunciation of the words looking same, but sometimes we use a content page and content. There is no content page in the new book. Content page means जी सुरुवातीला अनुक्रमणीचं पेज असतं त्याला आपण कंटेंट पेज असं म्हणतो. दॅट पेज इज नॉट इन दॅट बुक. बट सेकंड वर्ड, इट्स मीनिंग इज डिफरंट. ही सीम्ड मोर कंटेंट. कंटेंट मीन्स सॅटिस्फाईड. द मीनिंग ऑफ फर्स्ट कंटेंट अँड सेकंड कंटेंट इज अ टोटली डिफरंट. द वर्ड wind and wind. So where we pronounce the word wind and where we pronounce the word wind. Who has seen the wind? The ear. वारा कोणी पाहिला आहे का, अशा अर्थाची ही कविता आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. The river winds through the valley. The pronunciation of wind and winds are different. The spelling is same. The river winds through the valley. Winds means असं नागमोडी आकाराने जाणे त्याला आपण वाइंड्स असं म्हणतो. नॉट अ स्ट्रेट. रिव्हर वाइंड्स थ्रू द व्हॅली. समटाइम्स रोड वाइंड्स थ्रू द व्हॅली. फाईन. नाउ ही इज फाईन मीन्स ही इज गुड. हिज हेल्थ इज गुड और ही इज गुड इन कंडिशन. बट नेक्स्ट फाईन इज completely different from the first fine. You must pay 100 rupees fine. Here fine means punishment. Kites or kite. Children love to fly kites. We know many people fly the kites in the sky and they play with the kites. पतंग उडवण्याचा खेळ आपल्याकडे खेळला जातो. But next kite is different. Kites are very protective of their nest and chicks. When you look at the next word, protective of their nest and chicks, that means that kite is non-living thing. The first kite is non-living thing. That is a toy. But second kite is a living thing, and that must be something, bird or animal. For example, protective of their nest and chicks. When you look at the word nest, nest only built by the birds. So kite is a bird and the meaning of kite is ghar. Now look at the remaining these homographs. Try to understand the meaning and use in your own sentence. Just nail and nail. We know nail paint, right? And another nail is a nail and hammer. खिळा आणि हातोडा आणि आपण ज्याला nail असं म्हणतो, nail polish करणे, that nail. Second word light and light. One light is opposite of dark. Next light is opposite of heavy. जड आणि हलका. Note. 100 rupees note. 500 rupees note. And next note is like as he has written a note for me. Means something written matter. Palm. Palm is a tree and palm of a hand. हाताचा तळवा. Park and park. One park is a garden. I went into the park. And second park is a parking place where we park the vehicles. Next, row and row. Row your boat. Rowing, that is a boat. And you have to stand in a straight row. एक row म्हणजे नाव वळवणे आणि दुसरा row म्हणजे ओळ. Seal and seal. One seal is an animal and another seal is a seal the building. Table and table. We use table for writing, means chair and table. But next table, I have completed 3 tables of mathematics. Mathematics मध्ये table शिकले जातात. That is a table. Train and train. We use train for the journey. And they train my brain. ट्रेनिंग अर्थाने दुसरा ट्रेन आहे आणि एक ट्रेन आहे जे व्हेकलसाठी वापरलं जातो. ट्रंक, ट्रंक ऑफ एलिफंट. And another trunk, I have an old trunk where I kept my important documents. अशी एखादी पेटी that we use a trunk. Letter and letter. I write a letter to my friend. And there are 26 letters in English. Novel and novel. I have read English novel, कादंबरी, and he has novel ideas. ज्या चांगल्या आयडियाज असतात किंवा एखादी नवीन कल्पना असते त्याला आपण नॉवेल असं म्हणतो. साइन अँड साइन. साइन मीन्स सही करणे. अँड वी हॅव सम ट्रॅफिक साईन्स. काही वेगळी चिन्ह रस्त्यावर असतात ट्रॅफिकची, मार्गदर्शन करत असतात. वॉच अँड वॉच. आय वॉच अ मूवी, पाहणे. अँड आय हॅव अ रिस्ट वॉच. कॅन अँड कॅन. One can is modal auxiliaries. I can swim. I can speak English and Marathi. I can speak Kannada and English. Can. And next can is a container. I have 5 liters can. जे आपल्या आपण एखादी वस्तू लिक्विड भरण्यासाठी वापरतो त्याला आपण कॅन असं म्हणतो. कॅपिटल. मुंबई इज अ कॅपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. And you have to use the capital letters at the beginning. The capital letters and capital place. A ring. One ring is, oh, I heard a ring of telephone. That is a ringing telephone. Another ring, wedding ring. It is a very important ring for me because it is my wedding ring.